Hello, in front of me I've got Glorious Forge Series 1 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to create macro. To create macro, let's go to Glorious Core app and select your mice. Enter Keybinding and select button you would like to remap. Select macro and create new macro. Now select function. Repeat while holding or toggle. And now start recording. Right now we've got input from our keyboard, mouse, next you can change delay between keystrokes, and in the end select save macro. Select it and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.